I'm John Huffner, Vice President of Elwood High Performance Motors. Elwood's been supplying rugged motion control solutions for more than 50 years in the toughest conditions, and we include lifetime support. Our servo motor products and cables complement Rockwell Automation's kinetic servo motors and amplifiers and are fully integrated with Studio 5000. Our SX series servo motors are UL listed in North America for hazardous dust and gas locations and include ATEX and IEC-EX certifications for global compliance in aerospace, automotive, life science, petrochemical, and many other industry segments. Elwood offers upfit modifications to Rockwell Automation's MP series servo motors for high shock and vibration applications often seen in stamping, press transfer, forestry products, and many other high-speed processing applications. The upfits improve productivity and include full warranty backed by both Elwood and Rockwell Automation. Elwood's legacy servo motor products are drop-in compliant for 1326 H, F, N, and W series servo motors and their cable sets. We include lifetime support for installed equipment, control updates, and lifecycle management. Elwood's long partnership with Rockwell Automation and even longer track record of proven motion control solutions in the most challenging applications puts our customers in a long-term position of success and productivity.